If you want to go backpacking but don't know where to start, this video is for you. We are about to walk across an entire island.
Madeira, that's where we're going. 6 days, carrying everything we need and sleeping in a tent.
But there's a problem. We've never done this before. We are here at As Adventure to get everything we need and also some professional advice from an outdoor expert. At the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to bring on your next adventure and why it's important. Let's go.
Hey,
Hello.
hi. Tom Kato.
Nice
How are
to
you?
meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you indeed.
We are going on an adventure. We need your help.
I'll take you through the tents, through some mattresses, sleeping bags, walking canes, backpacks, clothes, walking shoes, socks, raincoat, a drinking system, 2 pillows, headlights, some burners, a cooking pot, a sport watch, first aid kit, sunglasses, and of course a little bit of navigation and emergency stuff.
2 hours later.
Let's go to the mattresses.
Yes.
I would recommend a Tensor. It's a Nemo Tensor all seasons mattress with a very nice R value.
All right. Great.
For the t-shirts, I would recommend an icebreaker because it's merino wool. It can be cooling or warming when needed.
A really important and often underrated piece of equipment, good socks. We definitely need Crocs.
If you want to run fast, you put them in sport modus. If you want to walk fashionable, Hello Kitties on them, or some dogs, or some Stitch.
All right, let's try it on. A bit of privacy, please. We've been in the shop for 4 hours, still choosing the right product. Okay, how are we feeling?
Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. There are so many things you have to think about. It's crazy, but luckily they have a lot of options, a lot of choices, so really nice. We're almost there. For the shoes.
I'm gonna measure your feet so that I know the length of your feet, the width of your front foot, the width of your heel, height of your instep, and the height of your foot arch. And that way I can see which is your perfect European size, which model is perfect for your foot, wide enough, high enough, long enough, and which size in which brand is your perfect shoe. European size on the left is 42.5 and on the right 42.6.
What's the most important thing you have to look at when choosing the right shoe?
You're gonna walk flat, or you're gonna walk in the hills or in the mountains. For Madeira, I would prefer a mid-high model.
Colors
I
are
would
not so
recommend, like, for example, the North Face or the Salomon, which is a quite sportive shoe, a sturdy outer sole, a high support for the ankle, and it's waterproof.
So much to choose from.
And that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna
So this one is carbon.
Carbon version, that's the normal version. There's a difference of 46 grams between every walking pole, indeed. And then you got the difference in support between a trail running stick, which stands always a little bit diagonal. And this one is the normal for the walking pole, which is always straight.
What are we gonna eat?
2 bologneses, 2 reindeer stews, some chili con carne. You like ramen noodles?
We like everything.
We got some pulled pork you can put in between a wrap too. Potato garam masala, we have 14, we need 36. Huh? Some salmon, cheese pasta with roasted onions. 22, mac and cheese. We got some pasta primavera, 24. Chicken with creamy vegetables and rice, 26. Beef casserole with noodles, 28. Oh, we didn't have breakfast.
Oh, yeah.
30, 32. We didn't have chicken curry already. Minced meat with carrots and potatoes. Now we got 36 packages, 3 meals a day for 6 days.
This is all the food we need to bring on our trip. The store is closing in 5 minutes. You have to look cool too.
Hij heeft nog geen uurwerk, Tom.
Dus ook al zo een klein beetje zwaarder dan een normaal horloge, omdat dat juist met die kaarten en zo dan moet wel...
Ja. Thank you, As Adventure. What a beautiful table. This is everything we are taking with us to Madeira.
This is Tom's side, this is my side, and this is
Our
common
side.
side. Of course, what do we start with? A good backpack. Mine is 55 plus 10 liters. The backpack is a Deuter one.
My backpack is the Rap Hyperon 65. Oh, we will put everything in the description.
My rain jacket is from Patagonia, and this duffel jacket is from Ayacucho.
I have a red, beautiful rain jacket from Haglos.
Then we go to the next layer, which is a good fleece. I have two of them, this one from Colombia and this one from the North Face.
I also have two fleeces, a red one and then this one, which I really love.
I have long pants, lightweight, and then a short.
I also have a Colombia pants that we can turn into shorts. I have a merino t-shirt. Then we go to the socks. We have good walking socks, which is really important. And then of course a good buff for when it's cold
or sunny. Of course, I also have socks from Ayacucho, sport top from Play, sport bra from Play, and then an icebreaker. And then for during the night, we have a base layer of heat tech that we will wear underneath our sleeping bags. So I think that covers clothing.
Let's go to our sleeping system. One tent from Nemo, the Dagger Ridge Osmo for 2 people. And it's always good to test your gear before going on the trip. And so this weekend we are at Nomadsland, the biggest hiking and outdoor festival in Belgium. And we are going to set up the tent and test out the new gear.
All right, let's begin with the mattresses. The Nemo Tensor All Season.
This is the C2 Summit Ether Light. Let's see how it looks from the inside.
Kiko! Ja, zet nou beesten binnen. Let's make it a little bit more comfortable with our C2 Summit sleeping bags. And it's C2 Summit pillow. Then the common part, maybe?
Eating system.
Yeah, so we have this jet boil.
Yeah, we have everything to boil some water. And jet boil, a classic. It's good, it's reliable,
yeah.
And that's the most important thing.
And then the drinking system. We have these foldable drinking bottles, so we can really make them very tiny. And then we have the water filter system from Life Straw.
First aid kit, really important. You don't want to die out there. Last thing, important thing, dry bags from Ayacucho to keep everything dry. You can put clothes in it, you can put gear in it. It's always handy and it doesn't take a lot of space. Are we ready for Madeira?
I hope so.
Let's go then. See you in Madeira.